Menon from Service Branch. Mr. K.V. Menon. And the next person would be Jaki Imam from Regional Office.
Namaskar, respected guests on the dais and senior executives of the dais and my dear friends and guests and the participants of from VenuG Vidyalaya. Thanks for the suggestion that it can be Hindi and English. I have prepared it in English. I wanted to highlight that this is elocution, not a debate. So it is information definition. Elocution basically is one of the 5 ways of oratory, of pronunciation, which we use gestures, way of speaking, dressing, language and vocabulary. So I will start my point with that what is governance. Before I start on the subject, I want a participative form of elocution, which it should be. Like I want a reply from you that in the film Diwar, there was a dialogue. मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, पैसा है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What did Shashi Kapoor reply? The reply was मेरे पास माँ है. For preventive vigilance and vigilance awareness week, I have converted this dialogue. मेरे पास imaan है. The charity begins, as one of the friends had said, at home. And NCRB data and the various vigilance reports of RBI says that in all the crimes committed, whether it is rape or crime or robbery or economic offences, it is an insider who is a part of the offence. So we have to start the preventive vigilance from inside. पुलिस के डिप्टी कमिश्नर यहाँ पे हैं, तो I would cite an example of preventive vigilance. In Calcutta, before Durga Puja, there was a सबसे बड़ा Durga Pandal in Deshaprem Park, and suddenly crowds started growing in lakhs, and there was a chaos. So the commissioner of police, leaving his car at the metro station, went immediately to Rajbihari, and immediately Calcutta police stopped that Puja Pandal. So this is preventive vigilance to avoid any problems. So we have to be preventive. Now the topic is preventive vigilance and good governance. What is good governance? United Nations in its ICT had 8 RAID codes: responsive, accountability, transparency, equity, consensus, effectiveness and rule of law. Now for this, vigilance is required because law is important, transparency is important. I will give you a few examples what the government of India has been doing in preventive vigilance. That Aadhaar card and the UID has been introduced to remove the direct benefit transfers are directly being given into bank accounts. And the bank accounts are being, the middlemen are going, and this money is 100% going to the customer. So the food, ration shops and various subsidies are going directly. I will try to tell you 3 things. Like preventive vigilance is like teaching your child a bicycle. You should be observant, stay away, not touch the child. If you touch the child will never learn bicycle. So you have to watch. Secondly, I would say that there is a saying that presence should be felt, absence should not be felt. So the vigilance is to be present and to be watchful. Lastly, in banking, we are working on a thin ice. We are a customer-oriented service. So we should not be over like a bulldog. We should be watchful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Mr. Jaki Imam.